Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Executives of companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have positioned their stock portfolios with large purchases and sales. Omni Industries Limited has advised that on November 28, 2025, a connected party purchased 540,000 Omni shares. Wigton Wind Farm Limited has advised that on November 28, 2025, a connected party sold 15 million Wigton shares. Supreme Ventures Limited has advised that on December 1, 2025, a director purchased 319,424 Supreme Ventures shares, and a related entity sold 319,424 shares. QWI Investments Limited has advised that during the period of September 2, 2025 to December 2, 2025, a connected party purchased 3,386,530 QWI shares. For the trading period ending December 2, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. AMG Packaging and Paper Company Limited with 13,839,212 units, representing 31.79% of market sales volume. Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 11,419,748 units, representing 26.23% of market sales volume. Trans Jamaican Highway Limited with 7,190,986 units, representing 16.52% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On December 3, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $47.11 million purchased and US $54.63 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.04 per dollar, selling the US at $159.23 and buying the US at $161.27. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $3.28 per transaction, with selling at $115.63 and buying at $112.35. The British pound yielded Forex traders $5.47 in profits, with selling at $207.64 and buying at $213.11. Gas prices are down by 25 cents this week. The state-owned oil refinery Petrojam says E1087 is to move down by 25 cents to sell for $155.17 per litre. And a litre of E1090 will go down by 25 cents to sell for $161.78. Automotive diesel oil will move down by 25 cents per litre to sell for $168.50. Ultra-low sulfur diesel will sell for $174.50 per litre, following a decrease of 25 cents. For our credit report tip of the day, when the cost of borrowing climbs and lenders start tightening the gate, small business owners feel it deep in their gut. You're running the numbers late at night. You're weighing decisions carefully. You're thinking about payroll, inventory expansion, and every dream you're building towards. Rising interest rates don't just shift the financial landscape. Tightening of credit access tests your confidence, your planning, and your resilience. You may not control interest rates or lender policies, but you control how you show up, how you prepare, how you manage your business. Tough markets reveal strong leaders. When you tighten your systems and strengthen your financial story, you don't just survive tighter credit, you rise above it. And when the market shifts again, you'll be ready. In looking at being funded and focused across every market, whether urban, rural, immigrant, or diaspora, one pattern shows up consistently. Entrepreneurs are motivated, but the infrastructure they need to succeed is missing. Not motivation, not ideas. Infrastructure to turn ideas into bankable assets. When founders understand the logic behind budgets, work plans, and outcome frameworks, they make better decisions. By the end, they can produce documents that hold up to professional review, and institutions receive applications from business owners and founders who are far better prepared to utilize the funding responsibly. Focusing on the fundamentals that determine whether a business can stabilize and grow: cash flow, bookkeeping, pricing, credit readiness, and digital visibility. Founders who complete their registration, licensing, banking, bookkeeping setup, credit audit, market validation, and their funding are just better prepared. The real value is that they exit any sort of training or incubator with habits, systems, and documentation that reduce risk for themselves and the institutions investing in them. It becomes a pathway to long-term business stability, because when the infrastructure is sound, the outcomes take care of themselves and ideas turn into bankable assets. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success.